In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and create a jigsaw puzzle using Canva. By the end, you'll have a printable puzzle that looks clean, fits your preferred size, and is ready to cut and enjoy. First, open Canva and select Create a Design. Choose Custom Size so you can control the final dimensions. A simple example is 1500 by 2100 pixels, which gives you a tall layout similar to a small poster. Pick a size that matches how large you want your puzzle to be when printed. Larger sizes give you more room for detail and make cutting easier. Next, add the image you want to turn into a puzzle. You can upload your own photo or browse the Elements tab to find a photo you like. Aim for a high-resolution image with good contrast, so the pieces are easier to tell apart. Position and resize the image to fill the canvas, making sure important parts aren't too close to the edges where you'll be cutting. Now, let's add the puzzle layout. Go to the Elements tab and search for Jigsaw Puzzle or Puzzle Grid. You have two approaches. Option A is the simplest. Choose a pre-made puzzle grid graphic. Place it on top of your image, stretch it to cover the entire canvas, and align it carefully. If your grid has editable colors, change the line color to something that stands out against your photo so the cut lines are easy to see. Reducing the grid's transparency temporarily can help you line it up precisely. Then bring it back to full opacity when you are done. Option B is to use puzzle-shaped frames. Drag a puzzle frame onto the canvas. Then drop your photo into it. Repeat with additional frames as needed, and the image will snap into each shape. This method gives you more control over individual pieces and can be great for creative layouts. Just be sure all frames fit together snugly and cover the full image area. Take a moment to refine the design. Resize the grid or frames to fit perfectly, and if the element allows it, adjust line colors for visibility. You can also lock the overlay in place once aligned to prevent accidental shifts while you make final tweaks. When you are happy, click Download and choose PDF Print for the best quality. Print on thick paper or cardstock to get sturdy pieces that hold up during play. After printing, carefully cut along the puzzle lines with scissors or a craft knife, working slowly for clean edges. That's it. Thanks for watching.